Riley, where are you going? You're leaving? You're leaving us? That's it?
Bye. Bye-bye. Don't kiss.
Mwah.
Can't, I got one handful and I can't open the doorknob with the other one. I don't have time for that.
Did you take Piggy with you? Did you pack up your Piggy? Piggy? Ooh.
Bye-bye. Whoa.
Maybe you should learn to walk a little better before you decide to leave.
No, stay on your feet.
A little more steady, maybe get some shoes. Who's gonna feed you? What about your bottles? You sure you still want to leave us? Riley, blow kiss. Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah. Take hand. I only have two hands. I need a third one.
Look at her, she's so smart. I love her so much.